One of my effort is to wake up activism in people. If you hear the word activism, it feels like we go out to the street or we protest for something. That's activism too. But I'm talking about another kind of activism. An internal active state of participating in how our life can be. Not just my life, our life can be. Maybe in Paul Fayad's terminology, it will be to invite people to become rowers. But I'm talking about an internal state. Have I quit rowing, so to say? So one of the work is to wake up activism in people, not as a demand for another to change, but for a demand for one to be unchanged to one's own desire of how life can be. That's also activism. I'm calling forth of people who will become active in holding themselves in a way that they will participate in this world and how this world can come to be. I am calling forth for everyone to participate in their life in such a way that they are participating in life at large to what it can be. And here, Master, until that is alive in you, you are not yet alive. And without that aliveness, there is no meditation. If there is no meditation, enlightenment is not possible.